You know that car you drive every day? The one you think you know inside out? Turns out that car may have some hidden talents. Hidden talents that could change how you drive. Chances are your car is compatible with Android Auto because almost 100 million vehicles are, which means your car isn't just a car. It's a command center. Your Android device integrates seamlessly with your car's display, so you can drive more safely and access the power of your Android device. You can talk to Google to send messages, make calls, play your favorite tunes, books, and podcasts. Even find ways to avoid traffic on your way to that secret spot your Android device helped you find. Maybe the best part, Android Auto is ready to roll. And that car of yours is ready to start bringing its hidden talents out into the open for you.